Good day, M4458. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ronaldie Sarsuela. I'm 31 years old. I am happily single mother with two kids, all boys, ages 10 years old and 7 years old. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate.
Okay, Miss Ronaldie, I see that you have experience somewhere in the Philippines here in Caloocan. What is your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
My main duties are taking care of the child, tutoring, marketing, cleaning the house, ironing, washing, taking care of pet, and assist cooking.
Okay, Miss Ronaldie, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to give my children a stable life and a better future.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong in 2 years, and after I finish my contract, I will find another employer.
What did you do if the newborn is crying?
I will check if her diaper is full, if he's hungry, and he want to cuddle.
Okay, and if the baby is still crying, what should you do?
I will call the parents to inform and check I will call the doctor also.
Okay, are you willing to accept the holiday set up by the employer?
Yes.
Are you willing to work on Sunday?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of elderly?
Yes.
Are you willing to co-work with other helpers?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes.
Are you willing to learn Chinese if the family member can speak English?
Yes, I'm willing.
I see that you have a long hair. It's okay to you to cut into short?
Yes.
It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer prepared for you?
Yes, it's okay.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I know.
And how will you cook?
I will cook the dishes like stir-fried vegetables, steamed egg.
Okay. And if the employer wants to give them another food that you'd never see, what would you do to learn how to cook this food?
I will I will in I will intentionally do the right, and I will do the process like the employer teach me.
Okay. Can you sing any nursery rhyme?
Yes.
What kind of nursery rhyme?
Like itchy bitchy spider went up the water spout, came down the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and washed the spider, and itchy bitchy spider went up.
Okay. Message to your future employer.
To my future employer, please choose me as your helper or domestic worker. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. I'm a flexible person. I'm trustworthy, respectful, humble, and kind. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you very much, M4458.